Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a travel tic-tac-toe board. I am going to be using Fantastory Purplish Blue, my arch nemesis, the gold leaf, and Shadow Gray from Eye Candy mica powder. I have a little something on there, so I need to get that off. What is that? It is not coming off. Let me squirt it. Alright, that should get it. Do you ever wonder how your molds get dirty when you just take them out of the bag and it's the first time you've used them? Happens to me all the time. So I already have all my colors mixed up. I'm going to give my mold a spray of the isopropyl alcohol. And I have just clear resin and the gold leaf. Womp, womp, womp. Yes, I'm trying it again. Will the third time be a charm? We shall see. Stay tuned, friends. Stay tuned. If it doesn't work this time, I'm not doing it again. There will be no fourth time. 3 strikes and you're out. I'm going to grab my silicone tool and just go around these edges. Try to get these 90-degree angles because that's where the bubbles will hide out. They will take up camp there. They will live there forever if you do not get them out. I thought doing this travel tic-tac-toe board would be a cute idea. Spring and summer are coming up, not quick enough, but they are coming up. So we need to have some road games for when we're traveling. And that's what this is going to be for. That should be pretty good. Hopefully nothing is hiding in there. Give a little spray in those X's and O's. I am going to put the shadow gray into the X's. I made up way too much, so I'm going to have to pour this into an extra mold and do something with it. So I'm going to get my X's poured, and I'm going to pour my O's in the purple. Now I realize that I am going to have to pour these 3 times, I think. Well, 2.5 times, because you need 5 each. You need 5 X's and 5 O's for the game. So this is going to take me a few days to do, at least just the little pieces anyway. That shadow gray is a really pretty color. I like that. I'll have to get a bigger container of that instead of just the little 5-gram bag. And this purplish blue is pretty good. I like the color. Think it'll go good with my gold leaf clear. Making a mess though. I like getting those little 5-gram bags from Eye Candy. You can try a color, see if you like it. Don't have to buy the big container and just be stuck with a color you're kind of like, meh. If you look in my description boxes below, you'll see that I have a discount code for Eye Candy. And you can save a little bit of money on your mica powders and your pigment pastes. My second O is almost full. I am going to have to do these over like I said, but I'm not going to record and redo it because it's basically going to be the same thing. The O's are going to be in the purpley blue and the X's are going to be in the shadow gray. So I will just show pictures at the end, I guess, when all of the X's and O's are done. Because I have to do it 2.5 times. You have to have 5 of each, 5 X's and 5 O's. You would think that they'd make the mold with enough X's and O's for the entire board and not have to keep redoing it, so you could just do it all at once. It would make it a little bit easier. I needed to make up just a little bit more clear resin with the gold foil in it. So far so good. This gold foil isn't giving me too much of an issue as it has in the past. I am happy. This might turn out okay. Try to see if I'm missing any spots that need a little bit more gold in it. And I see a couple little ones that are open more than I want. So we'll get a little bit of gold put over there. Looks good. I'll put it aside to cure up overnight. Be back on demold. Time to take this out and see how it looks. It actually looks pretty good from what I can see. I don't think it gave me a major issue. So this could very well be my first gold leaf success. I failed on the cross with the gold leaf. It wouldn't break up. And I failed on the skull with the gold leaf. It just went everywhere. This looks pretty controlled and pretty good so far. I am excited, and we are witnessing history here, folks. Not really. I'm just kidding. But I like it. It looks really good. Oh, I'm so happy. All right. Good job, me. Get my first set of X's and O's out of here. Okay, no matter how many times I say X's and O's, you know that song just pops into my head, and I sing it in my head. And if you know what song I'm talking about, now you'll be singing it in your head too. You're welcome. Sharing my torture. Those look good. How do the O's look? Get them out of there. I like the color. It's kind of a blurple. So, I like those. Alright, so what I'm going to do is make more of these off camera, and I will come back with final pictures and show you how it looks. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.